how are you all? You are all fine? Okay, that's good. So today I'm here with a new number. So before starting a new number, first of all we revise all the previous numbers. Okay, so are you ready, students? Very good, well done. So let's repeat with me all the numbers, then I'm going to teach you a new number. So which number is this? Yes, tell me. Very good. Yes, this is number 0. Wow. 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, very nice. Okay, so you have, remember, you recognize all the numbers till 7. So in this lesson, I am going to teach you a new number. So look here, which number is this? Yes, this number is 8. Very good. This number is 8. Say with me. 8. Okay, now count the balls. How many balls are there on the board? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 balls. Wow, how many balls? 8 balls. Very good. Now look what is in my hand. Look, what is this? You know what is this? Yes, it's a spoon. So let's count the spoon with me, that how many spoons I have. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that one is 8. So I have 8 spoons in my hand. How many spoons? 8 spoons in my hand. So kids, how many spoons? 8. Very good. So this is number 8 and these are 8 balls. So now I will tell you that how we are going to write number 8. Number 8 is a little tricky number. So look at the board carefully so you can understand how to write number 8. So are you ready? Okay, everyone hold the pencil and look at the board carefully and see how I am going to write number 8. So you have to follow me. Okay. So you have a boxes in your notebook like this. So you have to start 8 like this. Okay. Like you have a dot over here. Starting dot I am putting. So we have to start by the dot. Look here. Round, down and round again. Okay. So it is like a snake. So it's like a snake. Yes. So what you have to do? You have to round again and cross it like this and complete it. So now we get to know how to write number 8. I will write one more time so you know it better. Okay, start by the dot, round, down, round, and then we have to cross it and make 8. Okay, so are you getting how to write it? Okay, I will write it one more time. So be careful, look at the board, start by the dot, round, down, round, and do it like this. Okay. Okay. You will not make 8 like this, round and round. It's wrong, okay? You have to make 8 like this. First you have to make like a snake and then round. These two circles like 0, joining 0 is wrong. Like joining 2 zeros, it's wrong. This is not 8. The proper right formation of 8 is this. Okay? So I hope children you have understood how to write number 8 and keep practicing it because it's a little difficult. Okay? So bye bye for today. Allah Hafiz.